Hi everyone, that's us just out the caves after the Black Labyrinth glowworm tour, which was really cool. Yeah, there were some bits that were quite scary, it was quite dark, but it was beautiful.
Yeah, unfortunately it was a little bit too dark to take any video footage, so we're gonna show you some pictures, but first, thank you very much Patricia, Wolfgang, Yvonne and Isabella. That was an awesome present.
Thank you.
We'll see you in a bit.
Shall we begin? Crazy mother.
Welcome back. Last night we drove from the caves to Tauranga. As you can see, beautiful weather today.
Yeah, we arrived in the middle of a storm last night, so it's been non-stop rain for a good 24 hours. There's a lot of flooding here, which is lovely. But yeah, today we're at the Maori village for a traditional evening. So yeah, we'll catch up with you after.
Welcome back. We just came out the show, learned a bit of Haka. What else? Did you learn something?
Yeah, lots of songs, a lot about kind of warriors from the Maori culture. Yeah, I've seen Dom's Haka face.
Something like that.
So yeah, and we've just had some dinner, so we're feeling pretty full. And yeah, finishing up soon.
Thanks very much to Tove, Marky and Roman. That was a brilliant present.
Thank you.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.